Have you ever wanted to make a custom keyboard like this? Well, don't worry. I'll be showing you how to do this. First, go to the Play Store, search Gboard. And while you're doing that, you can go ahead and find yourself a cool gradient for your custom keyboard. This one looks pretty nice. Let's download it. Now your keyboard should look like this. It looks very boring. But let's change that. Press the button with the paint icon. Alright, so press the little plus button and put an image. I already added some myself. You can even adjust the brightness, pretty cool. Once you're done, press the apply button. And boom. There you go. Techdroid Tips 1.